So I've been using that, and it's been a little drier here, a lot windier, a whole lot windier, and I've been getting a little more static in my hair. Hey guys, welcome back. What's up, subbies? And I want to say what's up to all the newbies. That's anybody checking me out. Maybe for the first time, maybe not. You know we don't count around here, right? You know we don't keep tabs on all that. I just want everybody to come on in. Today you came on a good day. Well, every time you come is a good day, but you get my drift, okay? You get the gist. Today we are going to do a length check. I'm sure you've checked the calendars. I'm sure you read the title. So with that being said, everybody's in the know. Everybody's on the same footing. So we're going to get this thing started. So for all those who are brand new and just trying to find your seat in class, what we do around here is very simple. We check in, all of us. I like to check in every 4 weeks, okay? I know you guys can say it with me because I always review this. Why do I do it every 4 weeks? Because that way I can stay on top of what is going on with my hair. And with that being said, things can happen. And I like to stay on top of my trims because that's how I get my hair to its fullest potential, okay? I like to stay in front of the split ends or anything else that may be going on or may be sneaking up on me. I get to catch it right before it catches me, if you will, okay? So I like to check in every 4 weeks, and I like to relax every 7 to 8. So about midway, I like to check again to see if I need to do a trim and a dusting before I relax again. You got it? Makes sense? Okay, so let's get to it. So right now we're going to go over the product section, anything that I may have added, anything that I may have subtracted, anything that I may have modified, and basically nothing has changed. Okay. I'm still using the same products. Okay. I'm sure that's no surprise because the products that I have are basically my staples. They're basically my staples. The only thing that I will say is that you know that I've been using the Amber Rose shampoo by Theory. And for those who don't know, I'll have it down below. But the Amber Rose shampoo, it's been serving me well, but it's been a little drier where I am now. And so this week, I use the Argan version, okay? The Argan Oil shampoo by Theory. I did use that this last time because, again, it's been a little drier here, and I feel like the Argan is a little more nourishing. I think I told you that between the two, I find that the Argan Oil imparts a little bit more moisture than the Amber Rose. I like them both, okay? I like them both. But in times like these, when my hair is a little drier, I usually turn to the Argan Oil. So that's what I did. This has been very windy where I am, and you know, it's been very windy, okay? I know it's summertime everywhere else, but where I am, it doesn't exactly feel like summertime. It doesn't feel like summertime in the city to me. And I've been getting a little more static in my hair, okay? And even now, I'm not really satisfied with the look and the lay of it because of all the static that's going on in the drier air. But anyway, we're going to do a check-in, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. You may or may not see it, but that's the check-in as far as the products. Everything else is the same. I'm still using the ceramic blow dryer, still using basically everything else. Just wanted to let you know that I switched out one shampoo for the other, but everything else is the same. So with that being said, that part is over. Now I wanted to do some shout outs here, okay? Without saying too much, and you know how it goes around here, but you guys have been awesome, okay? And you have reached out to me and let me know just your little updates, okay? Which are big updates because every step, everything that we're adding to our regimen to make it better is a big step, is a great thing. So I wanted to give a shout out to one who reached out to me, and she just did a virgin relaxer on her hair, okay? And you know who you are. So she just did a virgin relaxer on her hair. She had a couple questions. She asked me a couple questions. I answered a couple questions, and she went about doing it, and it came out A-OK. Okay, so I'm so proud of you. We are very proud of you. And of course, I want you to stay on top of the trims. Okay, this is just the beginning, but you're off to a good start. And thank you for letting me know. And that's what's up. I also want to give a shout out to the young lady in our collective. Yes, yes. Who was asking about frizzy hair. I gave her a suggestion that serums are very good for frizzy hair. She has since tried a serum and she likes it. She likes it a lot. So it's been working for her. So I'm very happy for you. Okay. Come on, guys. Yes, yes. I'm very happy for you. Very happy for you because again, it's exciting and it's good when you're in need of something and then you find it and then it's working for you, okay? And you know who you are. So that was great. And I was so glad that you shared that with me. Thank you so much. And I have a couple of people who are basically starting again, okay? So they did a chop, you know, so they're starting with a clean slate. And I want to give kudos to you too because it can be a major step. It is a major step. And a lot of times it's a step that we try to avoid. You know, we don't really want to make that commitment to cutting off our hair to start anew. But I want to encourage you guys and I want to basically give you kudos for making that step. So cheers for that. Cheerio and chip chip and all that good stuff, okay? You're well on your way and I am very proud of you, okay? And again, you guys know who you are. Okay? To everybody, you know who you are. Thank you for letting me know. So now that we have had the hors d'oeuvres, okay, we are down to the meat and potatoes, okay, or basically the soda and popcorn section of this whole thing. We are going to check in. We're going to see what's going on with my hair. We're going to see where it is, how we're doing, what the ends look like, and yeah, just basically how it is flowing and showing, honey. So let's stop jibber jabbering and let's get right to it. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm kind of meh, you know, on this week's hair check. As far as the way it feels is a little drier. I'm not overly concerned because, like I said, I do have products in my stash that can sort of make up for the lack of moisture. The weather is playing havoc on my hair, okay? As we know that it can sometimes do, okay? Usually this happens in the winter, but you know, it can happen basically anytime. So with that being said, it's been a little drier and it's been a little needier, okay, of moisture. So that's what I've been doing. Everything else was the same. So there's that. And also this time around, I just did a dusting. I didn't have to do a full trim. So everything is looking pretty good, okay, even though it feels a little dry. And the middle is staying up with the rest of my hair, which is also why I like to check in so often, because sometimes that middle part of my hair, at least, and from talking with a lot of you guys, it happens to a lot of us. And again, my hypothesis is that, you know, the back of your hair is underneath is more fine, okay, or finer, and therefore more prone to breakage, okay? We got collars going on, we got jewelry, we got other stuff that can cause friction and that can cause breakage, okay? Along with other things, okay? But with me, I've been checking in on that middle part, that middle section, and we seem to, and we're doing well with that. So that's a good thing. And also, don't have me sing the song, okay? Because you know I'll sing it. Don't have me sing this song, honey, because you know okay, broad strap length. We still at broad strap length, okay, but we're a little past. So we may have to modify that song and add a little something to it, but we're going to get to it, okay? By the time this is all over, we're going to have a whole concerto, a whole gospel rendition of reaching different milestones, okay? So right now we have broad strap, we a little past, okay? So strap is here, and we like a little over like this. We like, okay? So we're counting every accomplishment, and that's how it is around here. So I've checked in, I've set my piece, and I'm putting a button on my part, but I'm opening up the floor to everyone else because you know what time it is. What time is it, Dolce? Roll call! Roll call! And for all those with sensitive ears, roll call! It's roll call time, honey. It is roll call time. Get yourself together. Let us know all down below what's going on with you, what's crack-a-lacking, okay? If you want to, okay? If you want to, we do not out people over here. We do not point fingers. If you want to catch us up with everything that's going on, or at least the most recent thing that's going on with your hair, let us all know down below. You know that we would love to hear it. New products, old products, new hairdos, old hairdos, haircuts. The sky's the limit, honey. We are waiting, okay? We are waiting for your update. We are here to celebrate, as well as congratulate, as well as encourage. I know that's not a word, but just roll with it. We are here to encourage those, okay, that need encouragement. So anybody who wants to do a little shout out, please let us all know down below. So I think we're all caught up, huh? Okay, I think we can put a button on it, okay, and sew this thing up. So that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. Oh my gosh, I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. We got more stuff on the list, honey. So you gotta come back for that. Why wouldn't you? Huh? What's going on? You too busy? You're too busy to come back? No, you're not. You need to come on back because you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.